Anything I do, all that I say, you love consistently me in any single manner from those kisses to contact from your hand to many I surmise I am enamored future more I can tell that by time. I so love you, future more, that is excessively profound. I love your voice. I love the manner in which our fingers crossed our adoration has continued as before. Similarly, us all along. What's more, I will cherish you until the end of time with my entry extends. You carried daylight to me. You carried a grin to my face. Whenever I check you out, I just see a wonderful face that is endlessly many until the end of time. I can't invention a day without you. Yes, I just feel torment at the point when I can't see you. We are generally there close by holding me close and keeping it tight. Every one of my appearances were beloved and questions day down. You are my solidarity that keeps me alive. You are my moon, and I am your tide. We will be together perpetually and will radiate brilliantly. How your eyes shimmer and the glow of your skin, also your breath on my neck, it simply shakes me inside. The excellence of your kiss and the wizardry of your touch. These reasons and 1000 more is the reason I love you such a lot of I never trusted in affection. However, at the point I meet you future more unacceptably everything recently different. You caused me to understand this world is a delicate full sport. You assisted me with forgetting my savor, past, future more, made me consider a fresh start. You are the justification for my joy. You are the justification for my life. You are somebody that means the world to me. You are the main individual that I love you. I have consistently acquired in affection as a result of you. I need to accompany you now and for eternity in the event that I understand what love is. This is a result of you. I love you such a lot of that I was unable to track down words yet to say that you are that sweet long for many which I see each time I shoot my eyes. I adored company over the steady was consistently you. I love you, darling, in the manner that anybody can never do. Your adoration has been a focusing light in those hazest evenings. You generally remain close by in the eternity of my hardest times. What's More, you said you all consistently be I love your eyes. Who holds the pentacle fire? I love your lips. Who holds the protest kiss? I love the manner in which you converse with me. We have the best recollections. We have sung the most delightful time towns. Future more you said you won't ever leave. That is the main thing I depend on. I can't put into words how happy I was with you. When I am with you, I forget all of my pain. On the off chance that I had a wish, I would want us to be together. Once more, I love you. There are such a large number of things that I love about you, your mind, your looks. What's more, your humor. In the event that I called, I'd travel once more into the past, also meet you, snore. I love you, child. I won't ever comprehend why you dejected to adore me yet. I am always thankful to realize that you did. You are my adoration, future more. You are my heart. We all be together until the end of time. Future more never separated. I love you. I have had so many questions, and you are the answer to all of them. I spend the best time with you because you always understand, know that when I am with you, I just, know that I am in love with you. This love will never fade away. This love will forever and ever stay. I have never really loved anyone in this way. I love you all the way. The love that I can see, the language of love, and you there is some connection to how to me each way. I am so enamored with you.